Hello Professor, it's Ritesh here, and this is my Lab 3B program. So at the first time I have uploaded these two pics, smile and frown, in the Drive HQ account. So now if I am going to start the program, so at the first time this line is for getting connection with the TCP client, and we use this function so that because we need to get data from more than once, so that's why this read text is equal to read text and character ns dot read byte data is user. So now it says where connection, hit enter to continue. So this line says that it makes the connection with the HQ drive. So now once again I need to press the enter. So it says that username okay and need password. After once again pressing enter, it says that user Ritesh, it's me, I have logged in and free service restriction is lower. So after that it operates this password, and now if we are seeing the program, so at this time the function data stream line is user for receiving stream writer data for controlling, and the right line password command is user to issue the password command. So now console.write and the password text and string password is used to get response from the FTP server. So now at this time we have used this split function for splitting fifth element of this server, and then adding and then for 0 element. So at this time the first four numbers are the IP address of the FTP server, and the last two numbers requires for getting the data number. So we can get the data number by multiplying higher bit into 50 to 56 plus then addition to with this lower bit. So it says 85 into 256 and plus 48. So this line we can see. So this program is over here. It multiplies 256 with the higher byte, and then add the low byte. So now this line get connection once again with the FTP server. So now we can see that all this data we get, this is because of the list command, because it also gives the other information over here. So over here we can see that all this data, smile, from, recycle bin, group read, my documents, we can see over here group read, group write, documents, my pictures, recycle bin, drive, from, image, PNG. So in VB, for that the program is over here. This first line says the user password, login and login data, and then over here we can see that the list command is user to get all that information, and then after I use an list command for getting other information. So once again if I am pressing the enter, it says the another port number, and for this for our IP port, and the second two are for using data port number. And after pressing the enter, so it says once again get the another connection and another port, and after that we can see that from PNG and smile PNG are uploaded recently. So it says this can be achieved by using this enlist display. So this is my lab 3B program, and sorry browser for getting late demonstration, for giving late demonstration, and please consider it. Thank you.